What's up, everybody? Today we are making some sugar
Cookies. Let's squeeze.
What are we?
Squeeze.
Squeeze?
Yeah, the other squeeze bite.
Huh?
The other one.
Oh, the frosting.
Yeah, we got the frosting, but you can't squeeze it because we're going to use it for sugar cookies.
Yeah, we're gonna decorate sugar cookies.
Yeah.
Got all our supplies over here.
Yeah?
You so excited?
Yeah.
Which one do you want to make? Which
What?
shape is your favorite shape to make?
My favorite shape is snow.
Snowflake. Okay. All right, let's grab all our stuff.
Yeah. Make cookies.
Wait, who left us this note?
Buddy.
Yeah, Buddy over there. Buddy today told us to make cookies.
Yeah. Because he wants us to make cookies with this squeezy
That's icing.
icing
Yep.
because it's red.
Yep. Okay, let's get to baking. Let me go grab the mixer. Hold on. Need help? Here, you hold it.
What's on his face? Marker?
Mm-hmm.
Wolfie. What's good? Yeah.
You can decorate cookies?
I can. Does Ashley want me to decorate a cookie?
You want some sprinkles?
Yeah.
That's right.
So I can share, right? So we can share?
Yay!
Oh, Ashley.
Yeah.
Wolfie just wants to eat them.
Yum. Yummy.
Look, you got the white one too. Then we have the homemade ones.
Ah, got on me.
It's okay. Just lick it off.
Mmm. No.
Is that good? Marker face. You tried to do
I borrow
makeup
the
or
green?
something?
Yeah. Now on the red.
Wow, look how beautiful. Did you do all those?
Yeah.
They look so beautiful,
Thanks.
Asha. You're welcome.
Can I eat the snowy?
Sophie, are you gonna decorate or are you just gonna eat them all?
Yummy. Yummy. Not here.
Yummy.
I don't want to eat mine.
Is it good?
Mhm.
Thanks for baking with us today and decorating sugar cookies. See you in the next video. Bye.